Hi, and thank you for your question. So we're using the heat capacity formulas where we have our energy is equal to mass times our heat capacity times our change in temperature. And for your question, they give you our energy is 100 joules. We are given our mass is 13 grams. We're looking for heat capacity, so that becomes our unknown that we have to solve for. And then we were given the change in temperature as 8.5 degrees Celsius. So now to find the unknown, what you want to do is rearrange the formula so that you only have the unknown on one side and then your answer will be on the other. So that means what we need to do is we need to move 13 grams and 8.5 degrees Celsius over to the other side so that we can solve for heat capacity. So we're going to use algebra to do this. I'm going to pick my change in temperature, which is 8.5 degrees, and I'm going to move it to the other side. And to move it to the other side, I have to do the opposite operation that's happening here. So if multiplication is the operation, my opposite operation is going to be division. So I'm going to divide by 8.5 degrees, and whatever I do on one side, I also have to do on the other as per algebra rules. That cancels out the 8.5 on my right side, and then on my left side I have 100 joules divided by 8.5, and this gives me 11.8, which is now equal to 13 grams times my heat capacity. Now what I want to do is bring this 13 grams over to the other side. I'm multiplying it to the specific heat capacity, so to get rid of it, I'm going to do the opposite operation, which is divide, and whatever I do to that side, I also have to do to this side. And then 11.8 divided by 13 is going to give me 0.9, which is equal to my specific heat capacity. And specific heat capacity is always measured in joules per grams degrees Celsius. So that's how you rearrange the formula for heat capacity. Thank you for watching.